Hello and welcome to this first tutorial about how to insert a new beer coaster in the catalog. In this case, I have to insert a new Guinness in Ivory Coast. So, click on Ivory Coast. Here I have just one city, Abidjan. If I want to add a new city, I can use this function here, add city. But in this case, Abidjan is correct. So, open Abidjan and I have the list of the breweries here. I want to add a new brewery, and in this window I can insert information about the new brewery. So, the name of the new brewery here. In this case, Guinness Brewery. Here the I can put the year of foundation if I know. Here the address and here the brewery info. I can use to put any kind of information about the brewery. I suggest for the microbreweries to specify if there is a beer firm or, for example, a contractor brewery. I can specify here where the beer is really produced. In this field I can insert the phone number and here the web page address and then save my work. The system gives my success and the Guinness, the new brewery Guinness is here. Now I have to insert a new brand. So add brand and give the name of the brand, Guinness in this case. Okay, and save. Brand is added. Close. And I have the new brand here. Now I'm ready to insert a new coaster. If I know that this coaster is a part of a set, I have to create the set before. So, set, a new set in Guinness, and give the name of the set, set1, and save. Set is added, and close. Now I can insert the new coaster. So, add coaster. Choose the brand. If I want to insert the set or not, I can leave empty this field. And here, this button is to insert the first image of the coaster, so the front side of the coaster. I can choose the front side. This is. I just need this to describe a coaster that have only one face, the front face, so that have the backside empty. If the coaster has the backside the same, I need only this. I need only this field. The second one is used to insert a second image, the image of the backside. In this case, I have the backside that is different from the front, so I need also this. Click, choose the second image, this is, and I have a coaster that has two different sides. The number, I have to give the number to the coaster. If the coaster is new in a new brewery, I just put 1. But if I know that the coaster should be listed at the end of the, the catalog, I have just to follow the numeration already done. This function could be used also to put my coaster in a specific position inside the catalog. If I know that this coaster is old, for example. So, if I want to insert in the first line between 1 and 2, I can just use a letter after 1, in this case A, so 1A. This field is used for the here, and this field face is to describe the coaster. If I have a coaster with only front side, I can just write F with a 0. Instead, if the coaster has the back side the same as the front, I can just put F with a B. In this case, I have a coaster that has two different sides, so I have to indicate just F because the B will be listed automatically by the system. This other field is for the owner, in this case me, and save my work. Coaster is added to catalog and close. Now I can see what I have done. Here is the coaster, the new coaster. I can see the front side here, okay, and the back side here, okay. But I can see that there is a mistake here because 1 with A is not correct. So now I can edit the coaster using this function here. Okay, I can insert it in a set if I want, or just correct here. 1 is correct. I know also the age, so I can add the here, and the rest is correct. Save. Coaster is updated and close. Now I can refresh the page and I can see what I have done. Perfect. The last thing is how to add this coaster to my collection. Just click on the 0 and plus. One click is one coaster in my collection. Another click, two coasters are in my collection. So the system recognizes that I have a double available for the other collectors. So the other collector can see that I have this coaster in my collection and also available for exchanges. How? Just click the lines here. The coaster in collection by me, and 2 means I have a double. Come back and here. This is all about the first tutorial. Bye bye.